Hello, my name is Begimay. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. I'm 20 years old. I study at Kyrgyz Turkish Manas University. My specialization is Department of Economics. I speak Kyrgyz, Russian, Turkish and English languages. I want to say that I like my faculty very much, so I'm interested in world economics. I think work and travel is an amazing opportunity to work and to know more about American life and economics. Now I want to tell you about my work experience. I worked in a cafe as a waitress and in the shop as a consultant seller and cashier. In these works, I have learned how to work with a team and to communicate with people. Now about myself. I am very communicative, responsible, hardworking, open-minded and friendly person. I hope work and travel gives me the greatest chance to work and to improve my English language. Thank you for your attention, thank you for your time.